with those decisions, I think it is crystal clear from that jurisprudence that the affidavits purporting to recant our earlier affidavits in support of the petition should be struck out without question. Now, for Ben Mukasantale, my lord, purporting recanting affidavits state that he is the one who called them and took them the respondents' council, the first respondents' council. That's what they say there. Those which are quoted in the country. They say, we were called by Ben, and taken to Mengo. Lord, it may please you to note from those affidavits that the first respondents' law firm is the one that got to them. Of course, among others. You know from the translation, it was from the first respondents' law firm himself.
Just to be clear,
yes.
He was also a second.
No, he did not. The point I'm making, my lord, is he procured the illegality. He participated in procuring this illegality. I will just refer. And my lord, this punishment should be the same. That is affidavit should go. Lastly, my lord, for my colleagues who drew these affidavits and who ought to know the law, my lord, the punishment from the authorities I have given you, my lord, is twofold. What the courts have done is either punish them there and then, or the discretion of the court under section 24, the Advocates Act. That's what the courts have done in those authorities, is to refer the police law council. God has whether you can punish my colleagues here and now for that conduct. I refer to the decision of Shell, Uganda Limited versus Wema and Mwewa Advocates, Supreme Court. Decision of Shell, Uganda Limited versus Wema and Mwewa Advocates, Supreme Court. There, the Lordship said that you have the power, my Lord, to punish my colleagues here and now for that. Now, in view of those refinements and the authorities that I have relied on, I pray first that the affidavits of Chamberlain and Mwanguzi, Naumbe William, and Ben Mukasa, this wrap of the record of court. Two, I would order my colleagues for the first respondent, or respondents generally, from approaching my witnesses, and purporting to recant the evidence, the issue of their punishment within the discretion of the individual. The bread is after this work of us, having procured the creditors. I refer to that. I'm obliged. The second set was no, my lordship. The approach is to strike out the second set. That's what the approach is.
First set of
remains for the petition of the election. And the second set, yes, the second set is struck out. And that's what the courts have done in all of the They strike out the second set and give the other one. And then by you, I know the court of appeal saying that if that set remains, then the court subjects them to repeated tests during post-examination. But the second set of evidence goes.
Punishing my lawyer. Because the first bit leads to the punishment, and we had not prepared. But my goal to punish all these lawyers. Was my question. I excluded the roads. So my goal excluded the punishment because we have authority, including the where you have had
Only that is the focus so much on the punishment. Focus on the first of this solution was about striking out the second season.
yeah, my own
So that not get lost in the punishment.
my own the issue is approaching. That's already calculated that they are saying they were approached by the time who committed the Uganda. But at the same time, he was saying he would cancel for the first time. The first time in practice is dealing with collective witnesses. Now, if counsel is approached or has been approaching witnesses, that changes the whole process. As far as I know, counsel does not approach witnesses are brought to, and he has also said they were brought by time, and that is why they want to punish time. But at the same time, he wants trust.
So the prayer is like,
For time.
there you like,
Yeah, you can do it written or you can come back.
I think you come back and come back tomorrow. Thursday, Friday. Friday the second.
Everybody. Friday we really have.
My lord, I am passing 10 lawyers. All of them are not happy.
But the whole have the same.
This is not that much of Friday now. So next week, when I